In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add internal notes to a conversation in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's dive right in. In the Conversation Detail panel of your inbox, look down at the Reply area and you'll see the Internal Note tab sitting right next to the Channel Selection tool. Go ahead and click that Internal Note tab. Notice how the reply box shifts to a yellow color, letting you know you're now in Internal Note mode. Now type your note in the text box, something like, "Share necessary corporate overview PDF with the client." Once you're happy with your note, hit Send or simply press Enter on your keyboard to post it. And there it is. You can see the note appear right in the conversation thread with a distinct background color and a note label, confirming it's completely private and won't be visible to your customer. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.